Hi everyone, myself Prasanna from Robonetics Automation Solutions. We are actually a dark factory solutions providers. So our product, we have displayed our products, pallet movers, Aira mover, Aira stacker. These are all the automatic forklifts from the small range to the big range, helping for all the warehouse automations and also for the manufacturing sectors, regardless of sector like automobile or food, pharma, semicon, any sectors. We have a product. We follow the compliance for all the sectors. So we are available in this Automation Expo happening in Chennai from March 12th to March 14th. Please visit our stall in B1 and you please explore all the stalls in the Automation Expo. Definitely, if you are from the manufacturing sector, whatever the range you want, from the hardware to the software, here is the ecosystem. So please visit and get benefit and increase your operational efficiency and profitability for your company. Thank you very much.